G'day and welcome back to Unimig. Today we are thrilled to showcase two next generation welding machines, the Razor Multi 175 and 220. Save valuable time and effort without sacrificing quality with these 3-in-1 machines. Both are capable of MIG, TIG and stick welding, so you won't need to swap between different machines anymore, making the setup a breeze. Setting up for a weld has never been easier with the Synergic MIG Control. Simply set your wire type, gas, wire size and material thickness and the machine does the rest, picking the best settings for your weld. The next generation interface panel with its large clear colour screen is bright and easy to read in any environment. Get more control and precision and remove the hassle of constantly adjusting your settings on a separate control panel. The digital control MIG torch lets you easily fine-tune your amps, wire speed and voltage right on the torch itself. Make welding aluminium easier without changing your existing setup. The spool gun lets you quickly switch over and get any job done with no downtime. Run both gas shielded and gasless MIG wires, so whether you're working with mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium or flux core wire, our machines have got you covered. The geared wire drive unit gives more power pushing the wire, improving the feeding, especially in longer torches, so you get a consistent and smooth wire feeding experience. Lift arc ignition allows the arc to be started easily by simply touching the tungsten on the workpiece and lifting it up to start the arc. Our lift arc technology ensures that your tungsten tip won't stick to the workpiece, preventing costly tip breakages. The foot pedal is a perfect accessory, letting you easily adjust your amperage to suit every weld as you go without disrupting your torch movement. As these are multi-process machines, you also have the option to stick weld, which comes with several advanced features packed in. The adjustable hot start helps stabilise your arc at the start of the weld, while your adjustable arc force helps to stabilise it during the weld. They also come with built-in anti-stick, so you'll never stick an electrode again. The smart fan in these machines diminishes noise, helps save power and reduces energy costs, and minimises the number of contaminants being pulled through the machines. Take these machines anywhere. Connect them to a generator and use them whenever, wherever you need them. So that's both the Razor Multi 175 and 220 available in stores now.